Our District 6 schools are the heartbeat of our community. It's a place where kids can come to be safe, they can learn, they can grow, they can find their own way and explore their own journey so they have a personal pathway to the career they choose. Spartanburg County is a thriving community. With the growth of business and industry, this is a destination county. A lot of people want to move here to bring their families, and we welcome that. We've got a lot of need in our community to make sure the infrastructure is in place, and that includes our school system. Right now, we expect nearly 2,000 students over the next 10 years to be added to our school district. As you drive around District 6, you see the increase in the number of communities, neighborhoods, housing developments, and with those housing developments and with the growth come an increase in the number of students. And when those students come to District 6 for their education, we've got to make sure that we've got room capacity for it, because we're committed to all students. We want to make sure that our current and future students have a place to be safe and educated in District 6. Many of our schools are already at or near capacity, and a lot of our schools were built decades ago. And at this point, with the expected growth of nearly 2,000 students over the next 10 years, we don't have any option but to create capacity or increase class sizes. We're committed to smaller class sizes. Our school board is committed to that. Our teacher forum, our parents, our teachers have all indicated that smaller class sizes are essential. We had an in-depth study completed by a third-party organization that came in and did a demographic study, live birth, with the growth and development with the number of neighborhoods, and those numbers of the nearly 2,000 students over the next 10 years came from that demographic study. This no-tax-increase bond referendum would support 9 different building projects. It includes renovations, it includes improvements, it includes safety adjustments, and it also includes 2 new elementary schools and a new Dawkins Middle School that would help us move forward. We've got the educational programs, we've got the partnerships with the business, the industry, the career pathways. Many of these plans to move forward with this referendum is to make sure that our schools are designed with safety in mind and to make sure that the infrastructure in place is going to last for years to come. When we say that students are always first, that includes the facilities that they go into every day. And we're committed to our students' future.
For more information, visit d6bond2026.com.